Computers in accounting. Now students, in this unit we are going to study about how computers have revolutionized the business world, how they are helping in decision making, how they are helping a businessman to analyze his situation, to prepare his accounts, and to communicate that information or accounting information to internal and external users. Now students, before we start, we'll have to understand something about management information system. That is MIS, the abbreviated form of management information system. What is MIS? In today's world, which is very competitive, which is very business competition oriented, every business relies on a series of information or the information which flows from inside and outside to make certain strategic decisions. This flow of information or the process through which this information flows is called as management information system. Remember, it is a complex mixture of information from various departments and various sources. It is not just related to accounting. It relates to information from marketing department, information from human resource department, from factories. Accounting is just one part of this information. So all this information together, when combined, it helps the management to take strategic decisions about the location or the destination or the goals of the organization. So now, coming to management information system. What is management information system? It is a system which provides information necessary to take decisions and manage an organization effectively. That is, it provides information to take decisions and manage an organization effectively. It does not mention anywhere that it is only accounting information. It means all the information. So if we try and construct a flow chart about it, we can say that management information system collects information from various departments. It can be depicted like this. Management information system is at the center. It has various subparts which can be like marketing, information system, then it can be manufacturing information system, or factory information system. It can be human resource HRM, human resource management information system, and it can be accounting information system. AIS stands for accounting information system. All these informations or all this communication, when conveyed to management in a specific form, helps the management to take strategic decisions. This entire system, when taken together in entirety, is called as management information system. Since we are dealing with accounts, we will limit ourselves only to accounting information system. Let us understand what accounting information system exactly is. So accounting information system, it is a system which actually gathers, collects, assimilates and supplies necessary information, that is economic information about an enterprise, to its internal and external users. So it collects, assimilates and communicates economic information about an enterprise and communicates it to its internal and external users, which help them in making certain strategic decisions. So students, let us understand about AIS in detail.